Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to convert Google Doc and PDF. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Doc. Now we have to convert the Google Doc in PDF. Let's suppose I have this Google Doc. Just click on File tab here on the top left. Now here you can see a download option. You can see here PDF document. You can convert it in many form, but we have to select PDF document. Just click on PDF document, and you can see here it is downloaded. Open the PDF. You can see here on my screen I have converted my Google Doc in PDF. This is the basic feature of Google Doc. It's very easy. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.